Start at the given number and say each number that comes next.
Look closely at Stepping Stone Stream. Pip the fox is already partway across the water, figuring out her next move. Notice the stones in the water. Each one is marked with a specific number, showing that the path is already laid out in a sequence. When you're standing in the middle of a stream, you don't jump all the way back to the bank just to take your next step. You step forward from exactly where you are. Counting works the same way. You can pick up the sequence from any number and keep moving without having to start over at 1. Pip is poised on the stone marked 5. Because we begin right at 5, stones 1, 2, 3, and 4 are already behind her and no longer needed. She steps and we count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each movement matches the next number in line. Counting forward from 5 gives 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The order of the numbers stays the same, no matter which stone we choose as our starting point. Further down, the stream gets wider. Pip is now standing on a stone marked 11. Just like before, there is no need to look back at the stones before 11. We simply continue the count from where she stands. Pip moves forward. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Counting forward from 11 gives 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The logic doesn't change as the numbers get larger. You just name the next values in the sequence as you move. The stream takes a sharp turn at stone 27. Pip steps to 28 and then to 29. This stone marks the end of a group. 29 is the last in this set. Which number begins the next set? The count rolls into 30, followed by 31. Counting forward from 27 gives 28, 29, 30, 31. Completing a group of 9 always leads directly into the start of the next 10. Pip reaches the final crossing at stone 39. She has one more jump to reach the far bank. Because 39 ends this group of 10, the very next step must begin the next set. Counting forward from 39, the next number is 40. This pattern repeats every time you hit a 9, making it easy to predict what comes next. Look back at the whole stream. Every stone Pip touched is part of one continuous path that stretches across the landscape. The labels on these stones identify the quantities, while Pip's movement shows how the count changes as she moves through the environment. Which label in the environment tells you the most important mathematical relationship, and how does the animal action prove it? Whether starting at 5 or 39, the journey moves forward one step and one number at a time.
After 39 comes 40.